Here we're going to look at what is E. So if you pull out your calculator and you hit that button right there that says E, that's going to give you this number 2.7182, and that number is just going to keep going on forever. It's an irrational number. So the real question is, why is this number important? So its importance was discovered by this guy named Leonard Euler, who lived in the 1700s, and because of that, the number is called Euler's number, or E for short. So a good comparison to E is that it's an irrational number like pi, that the more you study math, the more this number just starts to pop up everywhere. So let's take a look at a few examples. So let's look at this graph right here, y equals 1 over x. And so we're going to graph this. There's the graph of that equation. And so if you take E right here, and then if you look at the area in between E and 1 on this graph, the area equals 1. Let's look at another example of where weird phenomenons happen with E. Y equals 1 plus 1 over x to the x power. So if we put E right here, as you can see, as this graph gets bigger, as x gets bigger, it approaches the limit of E. So E is the limit for this equation. Those are just two examples, though. We also have e to the pi I plus 1, this famous identity that equals 0. E is also the base to the natural exponential function, which is used in calculating compound interest and population growth, and also is the base of the natural logarithm, f of x to the ln. So that's why E is very important in the field of math.